Hello everyone, hello everybody. How are you today? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu and Namo Buddhaya. This time, I will so very happy and I will so very nervous because I will share about our company in all audience in these rooms. Now, in English business, I will do presentation product a chocolatos. And this is our product. This is our a new product. This name chocolatos. Before I share about all in our company to all audience in these rooms, I will to introduce who I am in this company. I am a sales representative from the company PT Garuda Food Indonesia Tbk, and my name is Pugu Purwo Edi. In this presentation, I will start with our company information for those of you who don't know. After that, we will show our position on how this product differs from the others. Then we will talk about the product description. Then we will talk about the benefit that can be obtained from using our product, and we will also show some examples of the success of the products. In company information, our company was founded in 1994 and PT Garuda Food Putra Putri Jaya Tbk is in the snack industry, especially product from nuts, chocolate and biscuit and milk processing. At the present, the company's activities are in the snack and beverage industry. By collaborating with foreign investors who always support the progress of our company is located in Cikarang, Bekasi, MM 2100 industrial area. In our company, we have owner, and this owner, his name Sudamek Agung Waspodo Sanjoto. And we have example to all audience in this year. This is image PT Garuda Food Indonesia Tbk. In positioning, as we all know, everyone consumes a lot of types of snacks, especially those that can be found in the market, namely all products from PT Garuda Food Indonesia Tbk, where the company occupies the first position in the food industry. We use products from our company to stay healthy and with various activities, such as watching a lot of videos, doing other activities. However, we still lack the motivation to do it. That is why our products are different from food products that already exist before. The difference from the chocolate product in our company is in addition to being packaged with environmentally friendly material, but in its use it is also easier and more efficient to carry everywhere and production facilities. And we have image the technology, and you can see in this presentation. In description product, our products are in the form of snacks which are packaged with lightweight ingredients and are easy to carry everywhere, and will have many products variants. But in the presentation, we will focus more on one of our products, namely CHOCOLATOS drink with new variants that are not owned by other companies at the times. The benefit of this chocolate drink include: number one, already packaged with the help of sophisticated and modern technology. Number two, processed with quality ingredients. Number three, have a commitment in taste. Number four, can be used as consumption in all your activities and work. And two variant chocolate you can see in this presentation. And we have image our product. The image our product is chocolate drink bottle, chocolate wafer, chocolatos drink sachet. In benefit, as I said before, our product has the benefit of being able to support all of your activities, especially in terms of daily consumption and drinks. This will then encourage them to become healthy and more active in daily life. Not only that, the benefit the other is that users can really get the real pleasures of chocolate. So, our products has at last three main benefits: motivational, healthy, and financial benefits. And I will to push all audience in this room. The benefits the other is that users can really get the real pleasure of chocolate. For example, of concert evidence of how our company's product have been used and how its users have truly benefited from the product. This is the image in our product. And this last presentation, I give you and I give all audience in this room to closing argument. After all explained in this presentation, hopefully the guests who attend our presentation could use our products even more, and it would be nice if you want to buy and try it, so you can feel the pleasure and benefit of our products. I conclude this presentation and I thank the guests who want to come to this place and to this presentation. So see you next time. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Namo Buddhaya, Om Swastiastu.